Hello, I'm Nico, and this is my team. Danny, Mateo, and my brother, the other Danny. And now is Mateo's turn.
Introduction. The Earth's magnetic field is the magnetic field that envelopes the inner core of the Earth to the limit where the sun's wind takes place. The Earth's magnetic field is what maintains us alive. This authentic, invisible shield of energy protects us of the excess of solar radiations, and it's producer of awesome phenomena like Aurora Borealis. Now is Daniel Menendez's turn.
Hi, I'm Danny, and now I'm going to talk about the problem that we will have if there wasn't magnetic field. The energy of the sun is very important for the Earth. The sun warms our planet, heating the surface and the atmosphere. This energy dictates in our weather patterns. Our climate is affected to a large extent by solar radiation received by the Earth. This amount changes depending on the albedo of the Earth, which is the amount of radiation emitted by the surface of the Earth and the close back to space. The amount of radiation emitted by the sun changes with manifestation in the solar cycle, such as flares or sunspots. It is known that solar activity varies in the cycle of sunspot. Some scientists have wondered the change in our weather or climate could be linked to short or long-term solar cycle. For decades, this has been a field to research. It is an example of scientific process. Now is the turn of Danny.
Hello, I'm Danny, and I'm talking about for the magnetic field consequence for the animals. There is a theory that says that there is a protein in the eyes of 13 animals called cryptochrome that allows them to observe the terrestrial magnetic fields. In fact, it has been found in the eyes of many migratory birds. But if this one theory that we are sure, and it's the Earth's magnetic field are invisible. So if the theory right, how does cryptochrome act to see for the living species for the Earth? Two reactions for and according to science, the only way to know
Hi, I'm Nico, and now I'm going to talk about the conclusion. The Earth has a magnetic field because a half part is liquid, who rotates and produces energy. Mars didn't have a magnetic field because it's cooled down. The Chinese are making a strong magnetics because the magnetic field of the Earth is weakening, and Donald Trump wants to terraforming Mars. But one of the problems to Donald Trump wants is that Mars don't have a magnetic field. Another conclusion of the Earth don't have magnetic field is that the birds can orienting because they don't exist cardinal points like north, south, east and west.
This want to be a very serious problem because the boats and cars don't wide by the global position system that those GPS means. And now is the Danny Montes turn. Bye. Thank you for your listening and see. No.
Now I'm going to do the experiment. I bring two magnetics and I closer to the glass jar. And into the jar there are baby oil and we add iron shavings. The shavings go to the magnetics and form like a bridge. And if this experiment the poles are opposites. No, things that the poles are opposites. Thanks to the poles are opposites, the shavings go to the magnetics and forming the magnetic field.
Thank you for your attention and see you in the next class break.